Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we are going to learn about the shape layer. We have a blank project. I do have few comps in there. So if you want to create a new composition, you just have to go to composition, create new composition, or else you can click on Control or Command N, and it would create a new comp for you. So as we already have the shape layer comp with us, what I'll do is I'll just create a new solid. So we have a solid with us, and this will, I'll change the name as BG. So this is going to be our background, and let's create a shape layer. So to create a shape layer, I'm clicking on this rectangle tool, and I'll change the fill type to solid, and I'll choose a different color, probably as it's on white. I'll choose probably this. So this is gonna be a random green shaped rectangle. Okay, so we have our shape over here. What I'll do is I'll go to the align section and align it. So first of all, we will set the anchor point at center. So I'm going to do Control Alt Home, and then we'll go to align and then align it to the center of the canvas. Okay, so this is our shape layer. So when you go inside any specific shape layer, you get contents, and then the type of shape that you're working with, you'll get that. So as we are working with a rectangle, we have a rectangle over here, and inside rectangle you have the blending mode. So if I change it to some other color, it would change its blending mode. Okay, this rectangle shapes blending mode, not the layers blending mode. Layers blending mode is over here. Okay, as the background color is white, so the blending mode is not having much of an effect. Apart from blending mode, what else we have? We have rectangle path. Here we have the controls, we have size. So this is more like the scale that we have, but this gives sort of a different control with the shape layer. So here also it's an ordered pair, so we have x size and y size, and also if it is connected, then it increases or decreases in size in one direction. Otherwise you can change it individually as well. Okay, we have position, we can change the position from left to right, we can change the position from top to bottom, and also we have roundness. Now roundness, as the name suggests, it rounds the edges. Apart from roundness, we have stroke. As this is off because we have both the controls, so we have stroke over here, so I can create a linear shape. Also we can increase the stroke width. So if I turn it off from here, you can see here also it gets off. So inside stroke also you'll get similarly blending layer, and inside composite you have below or above previous group, that section you have a color control, you have opacity, so you can change the opacity of the stroke, you have the control of the stroke width, and also line gap, which won't be having any effect as this is a complete path. So if it would have been an open-ended path, then we could see what line cap does. Then again line join. Now meter limit, this will also not have any effect over here. Now comes dashes. Now dashes would have some sort of effect, and also we can change the offset, we can increase the copies. Now if we do round cap, you can see as there's some gap, so it's like we can see the difference. And now here comes taper. As you can see, the stroke width is gradually increasing and also this is gradually decreasing. Okay, now if we do offset, so it's like there's a start and stop and all of that. Okay, now there's another option as wave. So it's like if you click on that, more or less it creates sort of a wavy texture on that. Okay, then again there's wavelength. Okay, and again there's phase. This is the fill color and all of that. So when we have a shape layer with us, this is roughly what we get. Now in the next video we are going to learn about how to add some properties to this shapes inside a shape layer. Until then, keep learning. I'm signing off.